Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you on how to share items in your Amazon cart with someone else. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to go to their website, which is amazon.com, and then go to create a list. So as you can see here, my list is titled shareable list. So depending on you, and then you just need to create that list. And then going back to your dashboard, you just need to go to your product, but right now is I am going to show you my Amazon cart, and then just tap on that one and then select the items you want to share. So for example, to that is this product, and you just need to scroll a bit and then look for this button which is the add to list. Then as you can see here, this is now added to my shareable list. And let's try the other products. So here you just need to continue and then go to the last product. So here you can also add this one. So for example, to that is you just need to go to the button again and add to my list. And after that one, it is now added to your list that you created. And then what you need to do here is you just need to go to the dashboard and look for this one, the options, and go to your list that you've created. For example, so that is this one. And right now, it's you are going to share your list. So here to share the list, go to manage list and set it to shared or public. So click this one, and you can also invite someone to view only, so anyone with a link can view your list without making edits. So here you can invite them by email or copy the link to your clipboard and then send it to someone that you want to be shared with. And here guys, that's it, and now you can easily share your Amazon cart items with anyone. So if this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.